In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we installed this red metallic epoxy floor. Even the pros run into some issues sometimes. We had a few bugs sneak into our floor while it was still drying. We're going to show you guys how we went back after the floor had dried, cut the bugs out, and touched a few spots up. So stay tuned. Coming to you live from Boca Raton, Florida, guys. Today's project, a 2-car garage. It is a bit weird of a shape. It's an older model house, but it's a beautiful area to make magic. 750 square feet, bloody red. 3 tones, guys. We just laid the base coat yesterday, getting ready to do the design coat today. Look what you see here, guys. Do you see how this part of the floor is yellow? This part of the floor is still gray. We used a light gray base coat. It's only been one day. The part of the floor that is in the sun has turned yellow from UV exposure, guys. That just goes to show you solid epoxy colors, guys. You do not want to be exposed to the sun.
What are you doing, Mark, and why?
Caulking.
You're caulking?
Yeah.
What does that do?
Prevents the epoxy from running onto the driveway.
Hey, ladies, Mark's really good with the caulk.
Bow, bow, bow. People are asking why you're doing this so late.
Our client wanted to do more of a 2-tone, and red's a really hard color to find for pigment. So we had to special order the pigment. It was supposed to be here this morning, didn't get here until 5 o'clock today. We literally made our way over here after all of us was done with the gym.
Stop lying.
For this floor, we charged $6,000 with very minimal patchwork, very minimal imperfections in the concrete. What is up, guys? Today I have been running around since 9 a.m. doing quotes all the way from West Palm Beach to Miami. When I was doing quotes, I passed by college we did a couple months ago, so I ran in there to check on that. It was super cool seeing all the furniture, ping pong tables, and arcade games on the floor, and to see all the students on the floor. That felt good. Right now we're on the way to a metallic we did the other day. There was a little fly stuck in the floor. Also, there's a rock in the floor. We're gonna see what we could do. This floor is not getting a top coat, so touch-ups with no top coat are damn near impossible, guys. I always recommend a top coat. If we're not doing a top coat, the client wants to leave it just epoxy only. Kind of want to budget in that price if possible, a clear epoxy top coat at least, because just doing 2 coats, a base coat and an epoxy decorative coat, there's no room for error, guys. You can't have anything fall into that floor. You can't have any bugs, anything like that get in the floor, because it's almost impossible to touch up. And that's what we're dealing with right now. We really don't want to do an extra coat. We're gonna see what we could do.
So it's 4:30 p.m. I've been working all day with our video editors, basically figuring out the best practices for these videos. So you guys are gonna see all of that come together, which is super cool. We're excited. We just hired these 2 and they're amazing already. Now, Daniel just picked me up. I'm just running around with him, basically being his partner in crime. Whatever he's gotta do today, I'm gonna be there just cause. I'm here for moral support and to take content. You know, we are getting on YouTube, so we want to record everything and show you guys the journey. So right now we are headed to get some materials to do some patchwork on this red metallic floor, so come with us.
Yo! What up, what up?
What's going on?
You good?
How are you?
You ever met my girlfriend,
Hello.
Connie?
I'm Connie.
Yo, Big Money. We gotta get in the vlog, bro. Come on. This the man. This big muscles right here who carries all this shit. The big dog right here. Gotta start buying some more shit. Yo, brand new truck, man. Look at this shit. Yo, what'd you do, bruh? What'd you just do? You broke my whole shit. That's fine.
We just got here to the Brazilian restaurant. I don't want to eat this, but Daniel does, so we're gonna eat it.
Can't go wrong with this place, man. Buffet, in and out, boom, boom, boom.
I'll show you what we get. We got the food. Here's mine.
We ended up getting something, huh?
Yeah, I ended up getting something because I don't want to stop anywhere else. Whatever. I'm just trying to get the day started.
Yes. Alright, now we're off to Home Depot. We're going to get a tool I already have like 3 of. Don't know where they are right now. It's called a multi-tool, the Dremel. It's a little sneaky fella. I always just buy a new one. I say I'm going to return it. And next thing you know, I got 5 of the same tools. You gotta stop that.
Wah, wah. This guy lives over here in Home Depot, I tell ya.
Alright, it's rolling. Alright guys, this is the multi-tool I was talking about. Tricky little fella here. Not powerful, but he gets in all the little tight spots, you know? Comes with all these accessories. This is not a big bad tool, guys. This is like a little tricky fella to do little tricky things. Now they've got a cordless version, huh?
Okay, so we are at the Red Metallic house. Daniel's gonna open the garage. Let's see how it looks. Such a cute home. I love this house. Let's see the big reveal. Bum, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh yeah. Don't even want to wear shoes on it. Literally. What is this guy up to over here? Let's see.
We're just doing the unboxing of the new multi-tool we just bought, guys. Pretty cool gadget. Come check it out. Over here we got the blades. This thing is so simple and easy. This is the new model, so they got some new and improved features. So super simple tool, guys. You just push this button down. You put your attachment on. I guess that's why it's called the multi-tool. It comes with like hundreds of different attachments. This is not for heavy duty work, guys. These freaking blades will dull out in like 10 minutes. But for the tricky little stuff, you know, you use this little cute multi-tool. Tighten her up, ready to go. Oh, you gotta plug her in, obviously. We are here at this beautiful red metallic floor we did. We're doing some last minute touch-ups. Unfortunately, we had what seems to be a beetle get stuck in the floor. We're gonna try our best to cut him out. We're doing the least damage to the floor. Doing these metallic epoxy floors without a top coat is extremely risky business, guys. All right, guys. So these are some of the things that we run into on metallics. Right here, we have a bug stuck in the floor, guys. Stuff that is just out of your control. We're gonna do our best to touch that up. But if you're not doing a top coat, stuff like this is detrimental to the floor. Thank God it's not a bigger animal and he's not alive. We've dealt with that before. I think I have some footage. We're gonna put a little tape around the area we're working on. That way we're not gonna scratch the floor. Poor beetle, man. That was super weird. A quick backstory, guys. As I was on my hands and knees getting ready to cut out this bug, I'm down here struggling. I look a little out the ordinary. I look up, I make eye contact with 2 neighbors, a little girl and her mom. They were clearly talking about me. It was just a super weird stare down. Then they hit me with the Boca Raton wave. So I hit them back, hey. Got right back to work, you know. Guys, we're doing such a small touch-up. All we need is a drop. I need a little red. We're gonna blow her out and call it a night, folks.
I'm here for moral support and to take content.
My head, hold up. You done laughing? Me, personally, today. What about it?
It's me. Hold on, sorry. Hold on, I got nervous.
Stay tuned, suckers.